Now that you know how to find, install, and configure plugins, I know you're itching to go out and find lots of great plugins and add them to your site. So I'm going to give you a word of caution here. Try to be careful about how many plugins you install in your site. Chances are you'll install multiple different plugins who do roughly the same thing, and they might be overriding each other and creating problems on your site. And each plugin you add to your site will also slow down the performance of your site. Generally, you don't want to have more than maybe 10 or 15 plugins max activated on your site at once. And you also don't want to have plugins on your site that are installed but not activated because they take up resources. Now, I know finding plugins and figuring out how to use them properly can be a real challenge because there's so many plugins out there and there's so many different plugins that do the same thing. To help you along the way, I'm in the process of creating a new series of courses here at lynda.com called WordPress Plugins, where we address individual use case scenarios. The first course in this series, WordPress Plugins SEO, is already out, and it shows you how you can use different SEO plugins to improve both search engine optimization and also how your content is shared on social networks. As we move into the next year, I'll be adding more features to this plugin series so you can learn how to solve common problems using plugins in WordPress. But don't let this deter you. If you're looking for a solution to a problem, chances are you can find it in a plugin. And as long as you're careful about how many plugins you install, and as long as you only activate one at a time and really understand how they work, it'll be smooth sailing for you going forward. So go out and explore the environment, figure out what plugins you need, and install them and experiment with them.